Oh, Milty, I am bad. Terribly bad. Look at my chin. Beautiful chin. You see it? But now I'm going to transform into something more evil. They call me Boxy Head. I am Boxy. I'm evil now, see? And now I'm Frankenstein. Look at me, look at my face, look at